Hey guys, it's Simone and this is the weekend. So for most girls with natural hair like mine, that means that it's hair washing day. One of my most dreaded days of the week just because it's so time consuming, having to maintain your beautiful locks. And so today I'm going to walk you through my hair care regimen. So I'm going to be using these new conditioner and shampoo brands. They're called Deep from the Deep Sea. Cool name. But it contains keratin. It's supposed to be paraben free, sulfate free, which helps add shine and strengthens your hair, especially if you have damaged hair. So I'll be using these two products to wash my hair today. And after that, I'll walk you through how I do my deep conditioning packet. And I'm just going to be using the Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E. So I'm going to go ahead and take my shower and go ahead and wash my hair, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just washed and conditioned my hair with the Deep conditioner and shampoo set, and I will say that's my first time using it, and I could definitely tell that it's not your typical shampoo. The shampoo was a little bit on the watery side and didn't lather up as quickly as I'm used to, but don't let that deter you. That's perfectly normal. It's just the suds don't necessarily equate to cleanliness. It equates to a chemical reaction, and without those particular chemicals, you're not going to get that lathery feel that you might be used to with other shampoos. So just keep that in mind. If you do try out the Deep shampoo, just know that it's not going to get maybe as lathery as you're used to. But my hair definitely feels clean and it has a very light smell, so I'm more than likely going to continue using it. And I do like that it is sulfate and paraben free, and it contains keratin. And again, I have those product descriptions at the bottom in the description area. So now I'm going to walk you through my deep conditioning treatment. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, and I know it looks a little funky, but it is a mixture of rice water and natural aloe vera, and I literally just blended it up, and I like putting it in my hair. Aloe vera is very good for your hair and skin. It helps to lock in moisture. It also helps with strengthening your hair. Strengthness, that's not a word. It helps to strengthen your hair, especially good for damaged hair. And I'll more than likely upload another video featuring how to make this concoction because it is truly a lifesaver. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up and rub a little bit through my hair. And I'm literally just pouring it into my hand, rubbing it in my hands, and I'm just applying it to my hair. And as you can see, there are still aloe vera chunks in there. I literally bought one of those big aloe vera leaves and sliced it up and just put it in the blender for a few seconds along with the rice water, and voila. So I'm gonna have a few little aloe vera chunks in my hair during this deep conditioning process, but of course we're gonna rinse our hair out afterwards, so the end result, you won't have any chunks in your hair when it's all said and done. And again, I'm just running this through my hair, and I actually think I'm just gonna pour it directly so I'm not losing the good stuff. I'm just gonna pour a little bit and just running it through from root to tip. And it is cool. The best way to store this is refrigerating it just to ensure that it doesn't go bad. So it does feel a little cool on my scalp, but that's okay. It's full of a bunch of nutrients, good nutrients for your hair. So now that I got that going, I'm gonna grab my wide tooth comb and just kind of comb it through to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout my hair. So I'm gonna open up my protein packet, and it looks like this. It's really thick and kind of creamy. And again, it's really good for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. I try to do this every other month. I'm just gonna pour it all into my hand. Try to get as much out of this little pack as possible. And I'm just gonna run it through my hair. Making sure I get as much distributed into my hair as possible, and you are to use the entire pack. It's not like the instructions on our conditioners where it suggests that you use a dime size. Never works out, especially not for my texture of hair. Whoops, bleeding conditioner. I'm gonna get the back there. Okay, now I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb, just as I did with the aloe vera, just to make sure it's evenly distributed. Just combing it through. Remember to be really gentle. When your hair is wet, it's at its most fragile state. So again, try to be really gentle as you're doing this. You do kind of want to detangle, but you don't want to rip your hair or break your hair. All right, and once you've got this pretty evenly distributed throughout, you're gonna grab a shower cap and you're gonna wrap your hair in the shower cap as best you can. Make sure you get the back good so you have minimized water drippings down your back. Okay, and what this does, the shower cap, it does minimize the water dripping down your back and onto you, and it also helps to trap in heat, which opens up your hair follicles and helps to get those good nutrients into your hair. So I'm gonna keep this shower cap and the deep conditioner on my hair for about 45 minutes. I'll be back. That's it. I just washed or rinsed the deep conditioning protein pack and the aloe vera rice water out of my hair, so my hair is ready for styling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys will try out the deep shampoo and conditioner. I personally really like it. Again, it probably will take some getting used to because it doesn't lather as well as other shampoos that I've used in the past. If you have natural hair and you want to see more tutorials and tips on how to properly care for your hair, please subscribe to my channel as I'll be adding new videos each week. If you would like to see a specific tutorial on the flat twist protective style, please click on the video currently on your screen. Don't forget to drop any comments or suggestions for videos. I'm open to your ideas.